Fold a light yellow pipe cleaner in half, split into two. Place them together, then fold in half again. Take another light yellow pipe cleaner. Insert it through the center and twist tight. Bring both sides downward, pinch to hold, and use another piece to wrap and secure. Shape the petals into a curved form. Make a total of 5 petals. Cut 5 pieces of light purple pipe cleaner, each about 6.6 centimeters long. Trim one end of each piece to a pointed tip. Cut one light yellow pipe cleaner into 5 equal pieces, about 6 centimeters each. Trim off half of the fuzz on each piece and sharpen one end. Wrap around glue stick twice, curve slightly to make the center. Add glue to the purple pieces and attach one to the middle of each petal, sharp end toward petal tip. Apply glue to the top of a stem. Attach the 5 center pieces. Glue petals around the center one by one. Trim the bottom of petals short. Wrap the entire stem with light green floral tape.